I wanna sleep, but I can't fall. Words keep calling me when night falls. Silence is deep, but I still can't sleep. Sentences weighing heavy, massage they creep. The sky is the limit, so let me rhyme just for a minute. Hey, pennies flipping into quarters, quarters, quarters. When words and verbs are twisted in my head. Quarters, quarters, quarters. Hey. Sleepless nights like a slave master. The cracking whips of my flow coming closer, flowing faster. The days are short, the nights are longer. Time is lost and the hours get even louder. I wanna sleep but I can't fall. Words keep calling me when night falls. Silence is deep, I can't sleep. Whispers grow fonder, distorted messages louder. Like shadows against the walls of my mind. Like hieroglyphic signs, wasted time. Time wasted, paper awakes me for color, and my senses tasted, and shed secrets like the ocean attach themselves to my emotion. Passion consumes my lips and I feel my spirit in my fingertips. I wanna sleep but I can't fall. Words keep calling me, calling me, calling me, calling me, calling me, calling me, calling me. When night falls. When night falls, when night falls.